Dr. Lang, he's a very good fellow. Hello, I am Lang, and I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 months. Thank you. Please, you can try. Equals 9. 9 actually minus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Excellent.